Alright, welcome people. Here we go again with another episode of Silent Hyperdrive, the channel where we try to figure out how to fly a drone and try to get better at it. Alright, so today's challenge is going to be to fly the drone in a square. I guess in some ways we're going to still try to work on that yaw control. So, in this one we're going to go from corner to corner, from here to here to here to here and back to here with minimal drift or just without screwing it up too bad. So, alright. So this is going to be flight practice number 6. Yeah. And so, let's see what happens. Let me get the controller, let me get situated, and we'll be right back. Okay, here we go. And start. Let me get in a better position because I'm awkward here. It's better if I get behind the drone. That way I can see exactly. Yeah, this is going to work better. Okay. Let's go. We're going to start in the right corner. Slow drift. There we go. Let me get over to it. Go. Wait. Let's try that again. Get that down. Get that this thing. Alright, let's reset. Alright, let's try that again. Forward. Got caught up. Okay, here we go. Right corner. And just put it back. Gradually back. Just go back. Okay, easy. This. One over. Okay, get over here. Get over to this corner. Alright, go forward. Fight the wind here. Fight the wind. Okay, corner. Drift it over. That's easy because it's just using the wind. Kind of pull us wherever we want to go. Over. Alright, there's the corner. We think that's simple. Let's try it again. Okay, let's raise it up some. Go back. Whoa. No. Go back to the center. Let's start over. Let's start here. Alright. Set. Alright. Go to the right corner. Let's drop it down. Let's make it. You know what? Let's drop it down. We don't need to start. Alright, let's drop it down. Different. Let's go. So start in the center again, and forward. Go to the right corner, and we're going to put it back. Go back. There we go. Back. Easy. Stop that. All right. Next corner. Easy. This one. Slowly. All right, here we go. Hover forward, little last corner. Try to as smooth as possible. Okay, there we go. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Win, 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 win. Okay, let's try to go back to the. Okay, come back to the center. All right, it's not too bad. That's flight practice for corners round one. Let's just call it round one. We're going to try to land it, and then we'll reset and do it again. Okay. Oh, it's a bit. Come on, you got it. You got it. I'm getting it. Okay, so let's try run number one. It wasn't too bad. We'll give it a go in a second. Give me 1 second to, read this. Okay, so now we're going back for round two ski, like we like to say ski. And this time, we're going to try to make sure that we get everything a little bit smoother. Yeah, you see me setting up things. All right, so this is going to be flight practice number 2 for flight practice number 6. So, same agenda. We're going to try and bank the 4 corners smoothly. Yeah, smoothly. So, all right, let's see if we can make it do what it do. Okay, it's kind of windy. You see the flags. I mean, I'm just saying, just putting it out there. Okay, here we go. Let me get it back. Let me get smooth. Let me get smooth. Let me get situated first. Let me just put that. Crazy. Hold on. Here we go. Okay, here we go. Oh. 4 corners. We're going to try and bank the corners. Here we go. Let's get situated. Start in the upper right. All right, work our way. Here we go. Boom. Slow, go slow, keep it. Bang. Bang. Keep it smooth. All right. Next corner. Smooth. Bang. Okay. Here we go. Next corner. I ain't, Here we go. Ooh. And hover, whoa, pull it back. Oh. Bang. Come on. There it is. And back to this corner. Ooh. Because the bag's going low. What's going on? Okay, we're going to come back to the center. Come back. Come back. All right. Just going to hover. Bring it down. Go. Hover. Forward. Yeah. Okay, it's good. Battery drop. That's the only reason we're starting them, okay? Let me reset this all up. Change the battery. Yeah, that's pretty good. Yeah, that was awesome. Let me change the battery. And, yeah. It was again, but overall, I think that was pretty good. That's pretty good. What do you think? Flight practice number 3. Roll them. All right, so now we've changed up the battery. That performance was impressive. I'm not going to say, I'm going to admit it. I was pretty satisfied with that one. I hit all 4 corners relatively smooth. Bing, bang, boom, boom. And back to the center. So we're going to try to do it one more time. Let's see what happens. And we're also going to possibly try to throw in a rotation. And we can. It's picking up a little bit, as you can see, but let's see what happens. So this is going to be flight practice number 3 in the flight practice series. This is flight practice series number 6. out of the 6. It's flight practice number 6. This is test flight number 3. Yeah, maybe it makes sense. Yeah. All right, here we go. Okay, here we go. Starting in the corner. Let's work our way back. Nothing to do. The battery's low. Let's see. Ooh, I'm trying to get fast. Yeah, this isn't going to be nice because the battery's low. I didn't know that. I do apologize for that. So we're going to go back to this next time. Let me see if I can. If we can. I don't know. Let's work on this. Here we go. Try to get it. Yeah, it's not going to happen, but we'll try. Let's see. We accomplished good things with this one. It's alright, it's okay. Battery's low, battery's dead, so. Alright. That was good though. That was good. It's good. So we got 2 good runs in. No complaints, no complaints. Yeah, honestly none. I was able to get the corners done relatively smoothly. I will continue to practice and work on that. But overall, a successful flight. So this is going to be Silent Hyperdrive signing out for flight practice number 6. Drill was to smoothly move and manage and control 2 to 4 corners, which we did. So, again, if this is something you like, I'm just trying to practice on flying the drones, get better. Who knows, eventually maybe land that perfect job, see what happens. So, until next time, you guys keep flying. This is Silent Hyperdrive signing out. Peace.